Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to H World News. In a fascinating development at Rice University, scientists are breathing new life into the bodies of deceased spiders, using their remains to create innovative grippers for robotics. This groundbreaking approach, dubbed Necrobotics, takes inspiration from nature's designs and repurposes them for the world of technology. The concept began when Faye Yap, a mechanical engineering PhD student, noticed dead spiders lying in the corners of her lab. Curiosity led her to explore why these arachnids died with their legs curled inward and why they couldn't use antagonistic muscle pairs like humans. What she discovered was that spiders rely on flexor muscles to curl their legs inward toward their body and hydraulic pressure to extend their legs outward. This unique insight became the spark for a novel idea in the field of soft robotics. Working in the lab of Daniel Preston, which specializes in soft robotics, Yap and her team sought to harness the spider's biology for the creation of a pneumatic gripper, a claw-like device that could pick up and manipulate delicate objects. What's even more intriguing is that instead of crafting this gripper from traditional materials, they turned to the eerie but biodegradable option of spider corpses. Here's how it works. When spiders die, their muscles contract, effectively freezing their limbs in place. By injecting compressed air into the deceased spider's body, they can regain control over these limbs. This approach results in a claw-like motion that can delicately pick up materials, including wires and even other spiders, up to 130% more massive than the reanimated spider grippers themselves. Remarkably, this marks the first instance of using an entire animal as a robot. The team at Rice University sees Necrobotics as a game-changer for the field, with the potential to become a cost-effective and environmentally friendly addition. Unlike traditional robot parts that often contribute to e-waste, spider corpses naturally degrade, aligning with the drive for greener and sustainable technology. This environmentally conscious angle could revolutionize how we approach robotic construction and reduce the impact on our planet. The intrigue surrounding Necrobotics has not been confined to the scientific community alone. Researchers worldwide and even non-scientists have begun to explore this unconventional method. A father and son duo in Australia, for instance, tried it out in their backyard and found success on their first attempt. The versatility and accessibility of this technique have piqued the interest of many beyond the academic realm. So, next time you stumble upon a spider's lifeless body in the corner of your room, think twice before disposing of it. The arachnid may be more than just an eight-legged creature. It could be the key to unlocking the next frontier in robotics and making our tech-driven world a little greener. Necrobotics is a testament to the boundless curiosity and creativity of the scientific community, showing that inspiration can emerge from the most unexpected places, even from the spooky world of spider corpses. Remember to like and subscribe if you would like to hear more news stories like this.